all. How's everybody doing? I hope very well. I'm trying the Main Street the Main Street Dairy Freeze for the first time. Never been here before. Wow. Okay. I'm actually parked next to someone's house because there was shade here, so. I didn't want to park in their parking lot too long and take up parking for customers, so I moved on. Of course, I'm wondering if someone's going to come out screaming, "You're parking in front of our house, why?" Like, alright, let's take a look. Very good burger. Alright, so here's the burger. I got the bacon cheeseburger with Tillamook cheddar cheese, lettuce, no lettuce, tomato, pickle, a lot of pickle. But no onion because I don't like it. I forgot to ask if their lettuce was shredded or not, so I just told them no lettuce. With all the fries you get, which I guess is not a huge deal since, you know, I usually get full eating them anyway. Then the fry sauce. So, they got a good burger though, pretty tasty. Let's get back to lunch. All right, we're gonna try out their special sauce. I just got the one, and they just have the standard French fry. The fries are kind of limp, but the fry sauce doesn't taste anything different than the other fry sauces I've had. That generic mayo, and I think the fries though. All right. All right, take two. I gotta say, this place has a pretty decent burger. I mean, honestly, if I was going out for a burger, I'd probably go to Don's Drive-In. It was a little closer. But you gotta try new things every now and then. Plus, I can't exactly go to the same place over and over again. Unless I was gonna get something different. The fries were pretty disappointing because they were all limp. I don't think they fried them fresh for my order, which is really too bad. They were probably left over from the order before, so they weren't hot. They were kind of a disappointment. Burger was pretty good though, I liked it. They also didn't have any crinkle cut fries, which are my favorite, but knowing what I know now, if I was to go back there, assuming they weren't busy, because they actually had a lot of people, but I would say, yeah, can you make my fries crispy? Because, yeah, French fries that aren't crispy, it's like, what's the point then? You saw how limp they were. The burger was good though. I'd eat here again. Probably swing by, maybe check out a different side. I think they had seasoned fries too. I'll have to double check. I couldn't get a video of the menu because the menu was right next to the order window. and the print was really small, so I'd have to really get in close with the camera. But people were trying to order, and there was like 8 people behind me, 6 people, several people behind me, so I didn't want to like block the window, and then try to at least do the whole social distancing thing. I don't think it's really that necessary, but but then there's other people's space, and it's like I don't want to crowd or be in the way. So anyway, I'll probably have to record the menu when I get home, or if I can find one online. I hope so. And yeah, we'll go to that, and then I'll come back and close the video. All right. All right. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. That's the Main Street Dairy Freeze. Pretty good. Would eat here again, but probably either different side or skip the fries altogether. Anyway, I'll put the link in the end card, and probably already right here on the screen. So have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one. And it's great to be back. Alright, so I realized while editing I forgot to include the menu. So let's see. Make that a little bit bigger. So their hours are Monday through Sunday, so they're open 7 days a week. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. 10 a.m. is an interesting start time. It's kind of smart, actually. Oh, no, Sundays is 9 p.m. Excuse me. Get out of there. I don't want to accept your stupid cookies. Alright. So they have hard ice cream and soft serve. I didn't get any ice cream this time. I was thinking about it, but I ended up not. They've got fish and chips, fish sandwich, jumbo dog, chili dog, corn dog, chicken strip basket. I'm kind of curious what their dogs are like. Well, maybe I'll go back and get one. Ugh, onions. Corn dog. So we got the Spartan burger, which is 2 patties, bacon, cheese, barbecue sauce, 2 onion rings, mayo. Over half-pound burger. Tillamook burger, which is what I had, but I added bacon to mine, and then no onion. Main Street Deluxe, pretty much standard burger, onion burger, mushroom burger, grill burger, chicken burger, chili burger. Black bean burger, which is vegetarian, Hawaiian burger, and then a jalapeno burger. And that's basically about it. They have some extras, but it's kind of shrunk off. So cheese, bacon, and meat patty. So, simple menu, but I like the fact that they keep their menu simple. Now this place here, just as a teaser, it's called the Sumner Cafe. It's in the same town. I'm actually going to be going there as well, because there's something there I'm going to do a video on. So